Introducing this successful domestic cleaning business in Melbourne, Victoria. Turning over $90,000 to $110,000 with low overheads and a high profit margin, this residential cleaning business is a winner. Operating on a regular basis with established clients since 2011, it has an excellent reputation in the industry for quality services. Being a home-based mobile service, there's no rent to pay, and you'll love the flexible hours and the tax benefits. The business provides cleaning services for residential properties and a few offices, as well as exit cleans and builder's cleans when required. With little competition, 40% of the clients have been with the business for 8 years, and there's huge potential to expand. If you're keen to buy an income with ongoing work and an option to take on new clients, this is the one.